As of January 5th, 2026, importing customer lists into QuickBooks Online via CSV files is a core feature for businesses. This process allows seamless integration of customer data for efficient invoicing, reporting, and customer relationship management. We'll start by showing how data flows from spreadsheets into QuickBooks customer records. In this series, we'll cover key concepts, recent updates with AI-assisted mapping, and best practices for successful imports. The first step in importing customer lists into QuickBooks Online is properly preparing your CSV file. This ensures smooth data transfer without errors. First, make sure your CSV file is saved with UTF-8 encoding. This encoding standard supports international characters and ensures all text displays correctly in QuickBooks Online. The first row of your CSV file must contain column headers. These headers tell QuickBooks how to interpret each column of data. Common headers include name, email, phone, and address. At minimum, your CSV must include a display name column. This is the primary identifier for each customer in QuickBooks, such as John Doe or ABC Company. Without this field, the import will fail. You can include many optional fields to provide complete customer information. These include contact details like email and phone, addresses for billing and shipping, tax identification numbers, customer type classification, and up to 10 custom fields for business-specific data. Before importing, clean your data to prevent errors. Remove duplicate entries and ensure dates are formatted correctly as month, day, year. Tools like Excel and Google Sheets make this process easy. In Excel, use the Remove Duplicates feature under the Data tab to eliminate repeated customer entries. This prevents creating duplicate records in QuickBooks. Google Sheets works well for formatting dates. Select date columns and apply the MMDYYY format to ensure compatibility with QuickBooks Online. Follow these best practices. Test your CSV with a small sample first. Check for special characters that might cause issues, and always verify your data accuracy before the full import. To begin the import process, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on the gear icon, then select Tools from the drop-down menu. From the Tools menu, choose Import Data to access the import options. In the Import Data section, select Customers from the available options to begin importing your customer list. You'll then be prompted to select and upload your prepared CSV file containing the customer data. Once uploaded, you'll proceed to map your CSV fields to QuickBooks Online fields in the next steps. Once your CSV file is uploaded, QuickBooks Online displays a mapping interface where you'll match the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in QBO. For example, your CSV column full name should map to QBO's display name field. Contact email maps to email, and other fields follow similar patterns. QuickBooks Online includes AI assistance introduced in 2025, which automatically suggests field mappings based on your CSV headers. However, always review these suggestions for accuracy before proceeding. After mapping the fields in QuickBooks Online, the next step is reviewing and completing the import. Start by previewing the data to ensure accuracy. Examine each row for potential errors, such as missing required fields like email addresses or incorrect formatting. If you spot any issues, correct them directly in the interface by editing the fields in line. Once you're satisfied with the preview and corrections, proceed with the import by clicking the Import button. QuickBooks Online will then create new customer records or update existing ones based on the information in your CSV file. When importing customer lists into QuickBooks Online, there are several key considerations and best practices to ensure a smooth process. First, keep in mind that CSV files must not exceed 10 megabytes in size. Second, for international businesses, phone numbers should include country codes to ensure proper formatting and communication. Third, take advantage of custom fields to track additional information, such as loyalty points or referral sources. Finally, always test your import with a small sample CSV file first. This helps avoid common pitfalls like inconsistent data formats or duplicate entries. Looking ahead, AI and machine learning will continue to enhance QuickBooks Online's import capabilities, predicting data issues and suggesting accurate mappings to reduce errors and manual effort. Expect more real-time syncing with customer relationship management systems, creating automated connections to tools like Salesforce or HubSpot that eliminate the need for manual CSV uploads. There's an increased emphasis on data privacy and compliance, with built-in anonymization options and audit trails to ensure adherence to regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Future updates may include blockchain technology for tamper-proof records and mobile-optimized imports with voice-to-text mapping features, supporting remote work. The overall trend is toward fully automated zero-touch imports, where AI agents handle entire migrations from disparate sources, streamlining the entire process for businesses.